I just thought we'd take an opportunity of showing you the Alpha 01 flush plate, the latest one that's come in. Most of these flush plates, this is a dummy, but usually have a recess here where you push in a clip, unclip it, and behind it is a plastic frame that this clips onto. Whereas the new one from Geberit, as you can see, there's a little push button there. So you push those, it allows you to lift these up and then straight on there with the correct rods into the frame. And then you haven't got that plate, the back plate that you normally fix and then clip this on. So it's a lot easier. So that's that button that lifts them. Then we're back to normal, like that.